Okay, students, this is Ssc Chsl model test number 48. Let's try to solve the questions from reasoning part. Now, BDGK is written as WSLZ. So, this is B, D, G, and K written as W, S, L, and Z. And then he's also giving us RTWA, RTW and A, which is written as GCVJ. Okay, na? What's happening from B to W? B is 2, W is 23. 223, there is huge difference. There is huge difference. So maximum whenever you come across questions on coding and decoding, maybe difference of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ante kada. అంతకంటే పెద్ద గొప్పగా ఉంటుందా లేదా మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఇంటూ 1 ఇంటూ 2 ఇంటూ 3 సంథింగ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ టైప్ or else I can either link in reverse or I can link in straight. But one point is very clear, pay attention here. What is the letter opposite to B? Y. W is much more closer to Y gada rather than B. What is opposite to R? I. What is opposite to R? I. This I is very close to G. Yes or no? What's the exact logic for this question ante opposite letter B కి opposite ఏంటిది Y minus 2, D కి opposite ఏంటిది W, W is 23 minus 4, G కి opposite ఏంటిదమ్మా T, this is L is 12 minus 8, 2, 4, 8, the number is getting doubled. What is opposite to K? P. P minus 16 is Z. Is this clear? Was it is opposite to R? I. I minus 2 G. T ko opposite entity G minus 4 C. W ko opposite entamma amma D. D minus 8. I can consider D as 30. 26 plus 4 30. 30 minus 8 is 22. A minus A opposite into the Z. Z is 26 minus 16 is how much? J. So you are supposed to go for L, N, Q and U. Was it opposite to L? O. O is how much? 15 minus 2 is how much? 13. 13 and 10 M. How many options are starting with M? There is only one option which starts with M. Avuna kada? Can I go directly to that option? Yes. Option 2 is my answer. If you want, you can also check. Opposite to N is M. M is how much? 13. 13 minus 4, 9. I. Q. Q opposite entidamma? J. J ante 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. B. U opposite entity? F. F and enta 6. I can also take it as 32. I can also take it as 32. 32 minus 16. 16 ante 3. Is this clear? So let's go for the next question. How will you solve this question? We will see those repeating letters. We'll see those repeating letters. Q tarvata నాకు ఏమైనా కనపడే అవకాశం కనపడుతుందా? I can see R. I can see C before Q. అవునా కాదా? So Q R T J C Q R T J. CQR TJ, CQR TJ. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? సో CQR TJ, CQR TJ, and then C. Which option will be my answer? Okay, now the one which is opposite to number 1. Look at the first two dices. Look at the first two dices. On the right side you have 5. 5 is in the same place. Avuna kada? When 5 is in the same place, top different numbers, forward also different numbers. So automatically 1 is opposite to 4, 3 is opposite to 6, 29. Come on. Now equation 78, next is 3, 12, 5, 15, 9, 17, 44. Okay namma? So what am I supposed to do here? Always go with ఏమంటారు, division first. Always go with division first, because division is the one which you're supposed to do first kada. In the first chudu, in the last option, do you have division? Chapandamma, there is no division, but we do have multiplications. Avuna kada? Last option in the first place is equals to, in the last place is into. Your answer should be equals to 78. 17 into 44, you go very far. Is there less possibilities or more possibilities? Less possibility. Second option, 78 divided by 3. Is 78 divisible by 3? Yes. Third option, yes. Okay kada, fine kada. Chudam. Next entidamma, minus, equals to, plus, into. Igo 78 divided by 3 ante ento vastadamma manaki 26. 26 minus 12 ante enta 14. కానీ 59 into 17 ఏంది ఇక్కడ? ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ చూసుకో. whenever you have a question where you are supposed to depend upon the option, we'll always start from reverse. Third option, there is division in the last. Is 17 divisible by 44? No way కదా. సో ఆబ్వియస్గా నీ ఆన్సర్ ఏమవ్వాలి? ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. బట్ స్టిల్ విల్ డూ ఇట్. when the last 3 are not your answers, you have to go for first, obviously, but still we'll do it for the sake of learning. 3 plus 12 into minus plus equals to 44. First division, next multiplication, and these two are separated by plus. Happy. How much is this? 26. How much is this? 60. So 26 plus 60, ma, 86 minus 59, 27. 27 plus 17, 44. Absolutely right. Next, this is a question on blood relations. What is this question on? Blood relations. How will you solve the question? First duty is look after what is the first letter? A. First letter on the right hand side is also A. Any problem? No problem. First person is related to second person. First person is related to second person. Now look at this. D plus E. What does D plus E mean? D is the mother of E. Next, E at the rate. E is the son of F. Ante D and F are married couple. F is plus. F dollar G. F is the father of G. Both are siblings. And H hash G. What is hash? H is the, H is the daughter of G. How is E related to H? How is E related to H? Uncle. 13. Now select the correct option that indicates the arrangement of the given words in the order in which they appear in English dictionary. The first 3 letters are same from top to bottom. S, P, E. The problem is the 4th letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, you have C, and 5 there is A. What comes first? 5. How many options are starting with 5? Only one. Directly, which option is my answer? Second option. 32. How many triangles? See, this we have already learned. If you have a line like this, how many triangles here? 3. Inkoti gurtubettuko. If you have something like this, how many do you have here? Ante 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles, singles. 2 annappudu this and this. All the 3, 1. 3, 2, 1. Adhe story ikkada emoutundi? This and this 2 and 1 big 1. Ardhamautunda leda? So similarly, if you find something like this anmata, this is already taught to you, but still I am telling you like this. What will be your answer? 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And enta avutundi? 10. Is this clear? So similarly, how many here? 3. How many here? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ante 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. How much is that? 10. 10 plus 3 plus 3. How much is the answer? 16. Do you have 16 in the options? Yes. Is there anything else other than this? No. Clear? Next, 34. The smaller of the 2 angles between the hour hand and the minute hand is at 3:52 p.m. in the clock. Always remember one point. always the angle should be less than 180. Always the angle between the two hands of the clock should be less than 180. If you get a value which is less than 180, that will be the smallest. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? If you get a value which is more than 180, what we'll try to do is we'll subtract that value from 360. We'll subtract that value from 360. So angle between two hands of a clock, theta is equal to modulus 11 by 2 m minus 30 h. M is for minutes, h is for hours. H is for any number into 11, blink of an eye. Any number into 11, blink of an eye kada. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. అండ్ ఇక్కడ మినిట్స్ ఎంత ఇచ్చిండు? 52. 52 ఈజ్ అన్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్, పక్కా డివిజిబుల్ బై 2. అవునా కాదా? 11 by 2 into 52. 52 by 2, 26. 26 into 11, 286. అంతే కదా? 26 into 11, 2, 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 286 minus 90. What is 286 minus 90? 196. But this value 196 is more than 180 కదా. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? 360 minus 196. What is 360 minus 196? 160. Do you have it in the options? Yes. Is this clear? Everyone? For all those people who didn't understand what happened here and how did they get 196, వాళ్ళ కోసం చెప్తున్నా వినండి. 352. H is 3, M is 52. This is equal to 11 by 2 into 52 minus 30 into 3. 26. 26 into 11 is 286. 286 minus 90 is 196. I don't want you people to do all these calculations. You are no more kids. This calculation should be done only in the mind. Because 52 is an even number. It is obviously divisible by 2. Whatever the value you get, you will multiply it with 11. That value minus 30 into 3. H. Is this clear to you all? This is how you are supposed to go. And this is the only formula that we will use for denki clocks. Done? Next question. How many persons? 6 persons sitting around a circular table facing the center. 6 people are sitting around a circular table facing the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. O sits second to the left of N. O sits second to the left of N. What is the next line? Q is immediate neighbor of N. R is third to the left of Q. R is third to the left of Q. Now I'll tell you another important point here. 8 persons sitting around a circular table. Endi babu? A is fourth to the right of B. Opposite. A is fourth to the left of B. Opposite. Enduko? 8 persons are sitting. 3 people are sitting between A and B. Opposite. But what is the number here? 6. What is the number here? 6. R is third to the left of Q. And how many people between Q and R? 2 people. If there are 6 people sitting around a circular table and there are 2 people between them, those 2 people will be in the opposite position. Is this clear? If that thought is in your mind, third to the left of Q is R. And Q and R are in the opposite positions. Q is an immediate neighbor of N. ఇక్కడ Q వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. పక్కా ఇది Q, ఇది R. అయిపోయింది. తెలిసినోడు ఇలా చేస్తాడు, తెలియనోడు ఇంకోలా చేస్తాడు. అర్థమైందా? నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటిది? P sits second to the left of M. P sits second to the left of M. M sits second to the right of P. అంతే కదా? Because everybody is facing same direction. What's the point here? Who sits to the immediate right of M? Who is sitting to the immediate right of M? O. 36. These are all techniques that you are supposed to learn. And if you observe carefully here, The difference here is 2 2 2 2. Same story, 5 2 ante 7, 3 2 ante 5, 1 2 is 3, 4 2 is 6. Do you have it in the options? Yes. Next is 37. Amma, increasing or decreasing? Huge increase or gradual increase? Huge. Look at the options, they are very huge. Now what's happening here? I have to go for product. I have to go for product. This is just -1, but it is also into 1 -1. This is into 2 -2, into 3 -3, into 4 -4, into 5 -5. Next is into 6 -6, into 6 -6. When I say into 6 -6, obviously my answer should end by 4. 5 into 6 is 30, -6 is 24. Either this or this. Can you are multiplying 700 by 6? You are multiplying 700 by 6. And the value should be more than 4200. Avuna kada? Which option is my answer? Second option. ఇప్పుడు కష్టపడిపోయేది ఏమిటో అని మనం మల్టిప్లై చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. కొంచెం స్మార్ట్గా బిహేవ్ చేయండి. 38. By interchanging into and minus. By interchanging into and minus. Interchanging into and minus. Sorry, this obviously you have to depend upon the options kadamma. So this becomes minus and this becomes into. By interchanging into and minus kada. Chudam, 91 divided by 13. What is 91 divided by 13? 7. And this is how much? Amma? 6 into 3 is how much? 18. And then what's the question? Which of the following will be correct or incorrect? ఎస్ఎస్సిలో చాలా జాగ్రత్త ఉండాలి మనం. చాలా అంటే చాలా జాగ్రత్త ఉండాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా? చాలా డేంజర్. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ కెన్ బి ఫార్మ్డ్, కెనాట్ బి ఫార్మ్డ్? విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్ అండ్ విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్కరెక్ట్? విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ ట్రూ, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ట్రూ? ఇస్ దిస్ క్లియర్? వాడు ఏం చేస్తాడంటే ఫాల్స్ అని ఇంత పెద్ద రాస్తాడు, నాట్ అని చిన్న రాస్తాడు. ఎస్ఎస్సిలో జరుగుతుంది. దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ డూ హ్యాపెన్ ఇన్ ఎస్ఎస్సి. ఆల్ ద లెటర్స్ ఇన్ ఫాల్స్ విల్ బీ ఇన్ బోల్డ్ అండ్ ఇన్ క్యాపిటల్స్. నాట్ will be in small letters and it will not be in bold. But you have to be very, very, very alert. The question is not on correct, the question is on incorrect. Evitama? Incorrect. So this is 7 and this is 18. So what is 7 plus 18? 25. Ante kada? -5 is 20. But this fellow says the answer is 38. Is he correct or incorrect? Incorrect. Which option is my answer? Fourth option. Be careful. Next. Now this is teachers, singers and mothers. Teachers, singers and mothers. What should be my answer? Fourth option. Exactly fourth option. Now look at this question. 36, 18 and 20, 24, 27 and 23. What is sum of 36, 18 and 20? What is 36 plus 18? Amma? 54 plus 20. 74. What about 24 plus 27 plus 23? 27 plus 23, 50 plus 74. Sum of all the three is 74. I have to look into the option where sum of all the three numbers will fetch me 24. Where will I get 24, 26, 38 and 10? 26 plus 38, 64 plus 10, 74. 41. Look at this question here. Amma, look at this question. జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. ఈ రాంబస్ చాలా పెద్దగా కనబడుతుంది, అవునా కాదా? సో ఇక్కడ ఒక పెద్ద రాంబస్ ఉంది. పేపర్ అటు పక్క తిప్పితే ఇంకో పెద్ద రాంబస్ రావాలి, అవునా? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. అంటే పక్క ఇన్ దిస్ స్పేస్ I will have only 2 rhombuses. How many rhombuses? Only 2 rhombuses. What's the story with this? I am least bothered. I'll think about that later. I'll think about that later. పేపర్ తిప్పినప్పుడు కట్ అవుతుందా కట్ అవుతలేదు ఇక మనకు తెలియదు అది. దాని గురించి మనం తర్వాత మాట్లాడదాం. పక్కా నీకు ఆప్షన్స్లో 2 రాంబసెస్ మాత్రమే ఉండాలి. ఫస్ట్ది కాదు, సెకండ్ది కాదు, థర్డ్ది కాదు. ఏ ఆప్షన్ అమ్మా? 4. అయిపోయిందా? కంగారు పడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. అండర్స్టూడ్? 42. What is 42? Lokesh walks 7 meters towards east. Lokesh is walking 7 meters towards east. This is where he started. Then he turns right and moves how many amma? 20. 20. Then he turns to his left and moves for 5. Now this person Lokesh is facing south. South ఉన్న వాడికి left అంటే మనకి right. ఎంత అమ్మా? 5. Again he turns to his left. పైకే కదా? ఎంత దూరం వెళ్ళాలి? 11 అంటే మధ్యలో ఆపేస్తా, అంతేనా? ఇక్కడ ఒక గీత గీస్తే 11. పైన ఎంత అవుతుంది? 9. I'll erase this 20. What about the next one, please? Then again he turns left and moves for 12. Left, this is 5 and 7. I have to stop him exactly at this place. This is exactly parallel to his starting point. Now in which direction is he from his starting point? From the starting point it is south. And what is the distance? 9. 9 meters south. Which option will be my answer? Amma? Second option. Okay, let's go for the next one here. In a certain code language, disclosure is written as EHUAOLWA. Disclosure. DEIH. DE plus 1 minus 1. Tarvata SU plus 2. CA minus 2. Okay na? LO 12 15 plus 3. OL minus 3. So obviously నీకు అర్థమైపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం కావాలి? +4 -4. అవునా కదా? చూడమ్మా, లాజిక్ ఇట్లా కన్సిస్టెంట్గా నీట్గా ఉంటే దే విల్ గివ్ us only one word and only one code. Did you observe this? If the logic is very cool and very neat and as soon as you see it you understand what's going on and it is consistent, they'll give us only one word. If there is something going on there, if something is going on there, pakka they'll give us how many words? 2 words, 2 codes, and then he'll ask us the question. Then he'll ask us the question. So this is an indicator to us. If you find 2 words, 2 codes, and then you see another question, pakka you are not supposed to think it in a regular way. You're not supposed to think it in a ఏదో జరుగుతుందాడా ఆ ఏందన్నది మనం కనిపెట్టాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇట్లా ఇచ్చిండు సింగిల్ వర్డ్, సింగిల్ కోడ్, అండ్ దెన్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఓన్లీ 1 వర్డ్. అంటే లైట్ బై ఇది చాలా ఈజీ అనుకోవాలి మనం. అవునా కాదా? చలో, M అంటే +1 N, O -1 N. How many options? All the options. Next V 22 -2. -2 +2 +2. 22 +2 X. తర్వాత E -2 C. Next M 13 +3 16 P. 5 -3 2 B. N 14 +4 18 R. 20 -4 16 P. Which option is my answer? Amma? Third option. Okay na? Next question. 972 means steel is strong. 298 means iron is strong. 387 is iron and steel. Find the code for end. Where do you see end? End is in the last sentence. End is in the last sentence. So I think I have seen iron before. Iron కొట్టేద్దాం, అంతేనా? చలో, ఏం క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది? 8. మళ్ళా స్టీల్ ఎక్కడుందమ్మా? 7 కదా? అప్పుడు ఎండ్ అంటే ఏంటిది? 3. ఎండ్ అంటే ఏమిటి? 3. ప్రతిసారి వర్డ్ ఇచ్చి తర్వాత కోడ్ ఇచ్చేటోడు, కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేశాడు? కోడ్ ఇచ్చి తర్వాత వర్డ్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. జాగ్రత్త. అది అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఈస్ గివింగ్ అస్ ద కోడ్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ దెన్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ అస్ ది వర్డ్స్. Regularly they will give us words and then followed by numbers or their codes, whatever it is. But this is a bit different. Now this is an extraordinary question and I'm sure most of you are waiting for this question. I'm sure నాకు తెలుసు. ఇది 350 అనగానే మనం divisible by 5. 350 is divisible by 5. Highway, HIGHWAY. Highway is written as 805. Is this 805 divisible by 5? Yes. Is it divisible by 7? Chapandamma. Why did I say 7? Number of letters is 7. Why did I say 5 above? Number of letters is 5. Amma, if I divide this number by 5, what will I get? 70. What will I get is 7. If I divide this number by 7, because the number of letters are 7, 805 divided by 7, 105. ఇప్పుడు ఆ క్రౌన్ నుంచి 70 రావడానికి మనం ఏం చేద్దాం? సమ్ ఆఫ్ ప్లేస్ వాల్యూసా? అచ్చా, 3, 18, 15, 23, 14 అంతేనా? ఆ 3 + 18 ఎంత? మాట్లాడాలి. 21 + 15 అమ్మా 36 + 14 చేసేయి, ఎందుకంటే ఈజీ. 50 + 23 73. ఆడేమో 70 ఉంది, ఇక్కడేమో 73 ఉంది. రావట్లేదు కదా సార్? -3. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఎంత అద్భుతమైన క్వశ్చన్ అంటే, వాట్ ఈజ్ ఆపోజిట్ టు O? వాట్ ఈజ్ ఆపోజిట్ టు O? L is how much? ఇప్పుడు లెక్కేద్దాం. 3 + 18 21, 21 + 12 33, 33 + 23 56 + 14 7. సరిపోయిందా? ఎస్. అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్లేస్ వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ కాన్సనెంట్స్, బట్ ఫర్ వోవెల్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ ఆపోజిట్. ఫర్ వోవెల్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ ఆపోజిట్. వెరీ టఫ్. దిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ దట్ ఈజీ. H is 8, G is 7, మళ్ళీ H is 8, W is 23, Y is 25. Come on, Babu. 8 + 7, 15. 15 + 8, 23. 23 + 23, 46. 46 + 25, అమ్మా 43 + 25 కదా? ఎంత? 46 + 25 71. 46 + 25 71. What is opposite to I? R. R అంటే 18. A కి Z 26. 18 + 26 44. Add 1 1. Understood everyone? Yes or no? This is very tough question. This type of logics are very rare, and I told you, is giving us 2 words and their codes, and then finally is asking us a question. అంటే 2 వర్డ్స్ ఇచ్చి 2 కోడ్స్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ అడిగిందంటే అక్కడ ఏదో జరుగుతుంది తేడా అన్నది నువ్వు తెలుసుకోవాలి. అవునా కాదా? మౌంటైన్ చూద్దామమ్మా. మౌంటైన్ MOUNTAIN. మౌంటైన్లో M అంటే 13. ఫస్ట్ గో ఫర్ ఓన్లీ ద కాన్సనెంట్స్. 14, 20, and this is 14. Yes? 13 + 14 27. 27 + 20 47. 47 + 14 61. 61. Let's go for the opposite letters of vowels. OL 12, UF 6, AZ 26, IR 18. 12 + 6 18. 18 + 18 36. 36 + 26 62. ఎంతమ్మా? 62. 62 అంటే 123. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లెటర్స్ చెప్పు. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 123 into 8. చెప్పండమ్మా. 984. 984. అర్థమవుతుందా? Yes or no? Pretty tough. This is not that easy. See, but the thing is, the more you practice, then there are chances for you to guess. The more you practice, there are chances for you to guess. But what is very important? Practice is very important here. When you come across these type of questions, maybe 10, 20 or 30 questions like this, then these logics are saved in your mind. Whenever they are necessary, you can just get it from your buffer memory. Then man java thought anedi create aitadi appudu mind lo. Thought create avvali ante you have to see this type of questions. Is this clear? 47, increasing, decreasing, huge increase or gradual increase? Huge increase, because all the numbers in the options are 4-digit number. 7 and 8. Let me make it very clear to you. As we are going for into, this is into 1 plus 1. Whenever you see into 1 plus 1, it is very dangerous. It can be anything. Into n plus n, into n plus n square, into n square plus n, into n plus n cube, into n cube plus n ఏదైనా అవ్వచ్చు. సరే, ఇంటూ 1 ప్లస్ 1. ఒకసారి డైరెక్ట్ ఇంటూ 3 చేయొద్దు. ఎందుకు చేయొద్దంటే అక్కడ కాంబినేషన్ వచ్చింది కదా ఫస్ట్లా, అవునా కాదా? సో ఇంటూ 2 చేద్దాం. 16 ప్లస్ 8 సరిపోయింది. డన్. ఇంటూ 2 ప్లస్ 2 క్యూబ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ విచ్ ఫార్మ్? ఇంటూ n ప్లస్ n క్యూబ్. This has to be into 3 plus 27. This should be into 4 plus into 5 plus 125. Antena? 460 into 5, 2300 plus 125, 2425. Is this easy? Yes, it is. Next one. Where do I see this? Embedded or not embedded? Amma? Any conditions? Rotation is not possible, something like that? No. But where do you find that? This one line is enough to guess the answer in the middle. That vertical line. What should be my answer? Third option. 49th question. Let us see this 49th. This is pretty easy. Come on. Kada? 86 plus 72, 158. 98 plus 111, 209. 76 plus 65. How much is this? Amma? 141. Last question. 4 times 8 fours. 8 fours 32 minus 6. 47 into 4. 47 into 4. 40 into 4. 167 into 4. 28. 160, 28. 188. 188 minus 6. 182. Into 4 minus 6 వస్తుందా లేదా? సేమ్ అప్లై చేయ. 56 into 4. 224 minus 6. 280. Done? So first number into 4 minus 6 is the second number. Any doubts in this? Thank you.